Looking for an awesome sneaker for this summer? I think I've got the right one for you. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I have another unboxing for you. The best sneaker for the summer, the Air Jordan 4 Sulphur. But guys, let's stop talking about it and let's go to my favorite part of the video, the unboxing. Oh yes guys, how satisfying that was. Guys, we are on the road of 1000 subscribers. Guys, my channel is there for you to see the shoe before making your purchase decision. I'm buying them and reviewing them so you can see the shoe before pulling the trigger. So please subscribe because I have many more shoes coming up for you. Already guys, I like that. I like when Nike, they go different with the box. I like to have a different box. I want to feel special. And having a golden Air Jordan logo on my box, I really like it. Well done so far. Wow, okay guys, I think we have a problem. This shoe was advertised as a woman's shoe. Actually, it's even written woman Air Jordan 4 Retro. Therefore, I have ordered my size in woman, which is size 9.5 UK, 10.5 US, and it came as a men's sizing, 10.5, and size 12 woman. Wow, okay. Anyway, let's focus back on the shoe. This, I'll see that with Nike. Let's have a look at the baby. Anyway, guys, look. Okay, I like it as well. Paper, nice golden Air Jordan logo on the paper. And boom, guys, look at the baby. Okay, yes, it's a beauty. That's why I've ordered it, guys. I'm a sucker for yellow, for bright colors. Wow, this will go perfect for this summer. If it was my size, obviously, but this I can sort it out later. But wow, what a nice bright shoe, guys. And you know, we'll all love the Air Jordan 4 silhouette. I'm telling you guys, for every man, I mean women as well, but men, it's a man shoe in my opinion. It goes well for the man. And the yellow, the bright yellow is perfect for this summer. Look, my watch, it goes perfect with it. Look, the Air Jordan logo at the back, really cool. Really, I really like it. Let's have a look at the second pair. Yes, I like the white, the yellow. It's a bit like a mustard yellow mustard. Heavy, obviously, it's Air Jordan 4. But yeah, same as usual, guys, you know the drill. It's an AJ4, therefore AG4. It's fantastic. Yeah, the grill plastic, same as usual. The leather, guys, it's amazing, smells good, but it's not as good as the military black, for example, and it's not as good as the red. It's a good leather though. It's a good leather. Guys, if you want to see the unboxing of those two shoes, I put the link in the description below. Guys, I'm not sure if you can see really with the lighting of the studio how the yellow is popping, guys. I'm gonna put a clip of the shoes outside under the sun so you can see how crazy they look with the sunlight on them. It's fantastic. Look at that, guys. Wow. Anyway, back to the studio and let's go into details to this baby. As you can see, they give it a kind of a retro look. Actually, it's an Air Jordan retro, guys. So the retro look at it. The colors, it looks like it was made in the 90s, in the 80s. Oh, okay. Guys, I just unboxed the shoe and look, there is already a mark on it, guys. Wow. Yes, you gotta be careful, guys. It's a white shoe with some yellow bits on it, but it's essentially a white shoe, therefore you gotta keep them clean, guys. So yeah, keep them clean. The Air Jordan 4 silhouette, guys, you know it by heart. I have shown it many times on my channel. I'm gonna talk about the yellow, and you can see, guys, there is a slight difference between the yellow of the outsole and the yellow inside the shoe. The yellow inside the shoe looks like a chick, chick yellow, and the outsole, the outside, the accessories on the side, the yellow is more like a yellow mustard. So it's two different colors. It's not really matching. I don't know if you can see with the light, but it's not really matching. It's a two different yellow. One is more light than the other. One is more mustardy than the other. Overall, guys, I can't complain. Guys, do you agree with me? For sure you agree with me. It is an awesome shoe, guys. Worthy of this summer. So guys, I give you the thumbs up. Just be careful when you go and place your order. Make sure you order men's size, guys, and not women's size, because you're gonna be up for disappointment like I did when I unboxed the shoe. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Peace.